Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle an interesting problem that can happen when working with Scala code. The problem we'll be diving into involves defining a function to collect specific types from a list of objects of a superclass. This can lead to unexpected results when trying to filter out specific types. So, let's break it down and find out what's going on with this tricky problem. Now let's talk about the solution to the problem we just discussed. The solution involves understanding an important concept in Scala called type-erasure. When defining a function like onlyTlist, listFruit list_t, the type parameter t gets replaced with object at runtime due to type-erasure. This means that the method essentially becomes onlyTlist, listFruit listObject, causing all elements in the list to pass the filter when calling onlyTBananaFruitList. Understanding this behavior is key to grasping why the result turns out the way it does. Continuing on from the previous explanation, it's important to note that type erasure doesn't occur in the case of fruitlist.collect case x, banana equals x. This means that the filtering operation in this scenario is able to correctly distinguish between elements of different types and only return those that match the specified type. Therefore, the method collect behaves differently from the custom filtering function onlyT, resulting in a more precise selection of elements based on type. In summary, we've explored a problem related to collecting specific types from a list of superclass objects in Scala. By understanding the concept of type erasure and how it affects filtering functions like onlyT, we can better comprehend why certain type declarations may lead to unexpected outcomes. Remember, paying attention to these nuances in the type system can save you from potential pitfalls in your Scala code. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Who knew type systems could be so intriguing, right? See you next time.